Hi there, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, March the 20th, 2024. I want to remind you that in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. I've showed you earlier. And the news of today, well, war day number 756. 756 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. War still going on. Same with the second war in Israel. Yeah, it's wartime. Four Stars Sudoku number 8222 triple two. Wow, 8222. For 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, but for if it's really 4 stars, it has 24 printed digits. Well, this one has one more. 25. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of sevens. Let me start with 7. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column 3. No need to place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 this row. Second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row, so the first row. Only to place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, no, only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row, so the row between. The only place level 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Right, and now. And now. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only two places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only two places level 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Well. 8, 9. 8, 8, 9, 9, 9. Need a 4 here. 4. In this, in this row, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, in this column, we need a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. And I cannot place the 4 there. We need a 4 in one of these 3 boxes. And I cannot place the 4 here because we need a 4 in this row, in one of those 2 boxes. So I think the only place left for the 4 should be here then. Alright, 4. Need a 3, need a 5, okay. 5. 1. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this third one, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the first row, only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. 2. I need a 2 in this row. Here, give me 2, we have 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here, give me 2, we have 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. It's the only place level 2 Should be there. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in this row. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column only. 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 2, 2. 2. 8. 1, 1. Yeah. 3, 3. Well, do we have all the 2s? No. 4. 1, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need an 8 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this column. No 4 and 8 in these two boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in and 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9 and 5. 9 and 5. That means 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. Okay. Alright. 8, 8. Come on, 1, 1. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. Put them on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Need a 5 here. And I need we have a pair, the 3 and a 5 in this row. The 3 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for the 3 to 5. Goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 is left in this big square for the other 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is what number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here also 2 numbers left. The 9 and the 5. 9 and 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then 3, 5, 4. Okay. 4 and the need 8 here. 4 and a 5. 3, 5 and need a 6 here. Two numbers left in this column for us. The 1, 2, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, okay. But here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. Well, here can be 4. We have a 4 here, so the 6 and 8. Here can be 6, so 4 and 8. 6 and 8. 4, 6, 8. Well. Need a 5 here. 4, 8. We have an 8 here, so this could be 8, could be 8. Come on! 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column only 2 places left and 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 4 and the 5, yeah. Well, thinking. 1, 5, 6. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left with 1 should be there. 3, 5, 4. 3, 3. 3, 5, and need a 6 here. I need a 5 also. 5, 5, 5. I need a 9 here. Oh, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these two boxes. So 9 could be here. Here we have a 9, here we have a 9. That means in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. Yep. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place level 9 should be there. 4 and 9, we have a 9 now in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 4 goes there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with 4 should be there. So the other two numbers should be the 6 and 8 on left. Okay, 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 and the 9, we have 4 now in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in the last row for number 4 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. Here also 3 and the 5. Here also 3 and the 5. 6 and 8, and I need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, second column. So the first column, the only place level 1 should be there. So the 6 and the 8 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 or an 8. We have a 6 in the third column, so this box should be an 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row. I believe the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This box is a 5, so the other 2 should be 1 or a 6. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Maybe talk too much. But we sold again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.